What's up, No Quema fam? It's your boy No Quema John. Welcome to another YouTube video for everybody that's already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. For all the new people, first time watching, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the notification up on top so that you guys don't miss out on our badass videos. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review on the iDrive that I have on my truck. You guys already know La Mamalona cut. So it's not that fast, but I did add an iDrive, which is a throttle controller, and I feel like it makes it feel like it's faster. And every time people get on my truck, they're always like, "No mames, wait, what's that shit that you have on your truck?" So it's an iDrive. I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna show you guys how it works, and you guys can make a decision. A ver si creen que le va a ayudar la mamalona so it's faster. But check it out. It's the iDrive, and shout out to my friends over there at iDrive USA. They actually hooked me up with this iDrive for the Ram. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is what the iDrive looks like. Like I said, it's the iDrive USA. So it has different modes. It's a throttle controller. So it has you can either do like an eco mode, and it goes up all the way to 9, I believe it is. And then you can do your sports mode, and then this is going to be an automatic. So depending on how you drive, whether you give it a lot of gas, rev it up or not, it'll respond differently, and then you just shut it off. But so I'm going to show you guys how it works. Pretty much all it is a cable running to the back of your throttle, through your throttle, your pedal on your car, on your truck, and it plugs into the back. Then you plug in your harness to the back of this adapter, and then you just run it up to wherever you want to control it from. So it's real easy. It probably took me about 5 minutes to run the cable, unplug the harness on the back of the pedal, and run this. So we're gonna test it out, and you guys will see how it feels, the difference. I feel like it's a little bit more responsive. Obviously the truck's not going to be faster, but it does feel more responsive when I'm taking off, which for a lot of the tacuache cut, that's going to be super important. En los jalones, boom, se jale más fuerte. So let's test it out. I'm going to drive it normal first, and then I'll let you guys know as I turn it on. Alright, so I'm about to start driving in the normal mode, which is with the throttle controller just off. Hopefully my camera's not shaking a lot, so I just bought a new tripod to mount onto my window, to my windshield, and I'm just testing it out first time, so it might move a little bit, but here we go. So right now it's just on normal. You guys can even hear the engine, and then so I'm just holding the gas, and now I'm gonna hit it on the sport mode. So hold on 1 second. So there's just riding normal, just regular gas, and I'm about to turn it on. Here we go. You guys heard it right away. As soon as I turned it on, you can hear the RPM shoot up. The throttle was a lot more responsive, so just holding it there, as soon as I turned it on, boom, it's like I gunned it, so it did that on its own. So right now I have it on, so as soon as I give it gas, you guys can hear the difference right away. Even when I just gave it a little bit of gas, it revved up real high and then dropped back down. So it's pretty cool. I like it. It's exciting. It's not the fastest truck out there, but it sounds fast. So no importa que it's kind of slow, but I'm about to do another pull right here when I go on the freeway, so you guys can hear it when I actually get on it and hear the difference. All right, so here we are, just cruising with it off. I'm about to turn it on, and you guys will see the difference. Did you guys hear that? So that was just just me holding the pedal right where I was at the whole time. The only difference was that I turned this baby on and boom, si quema. So ahorita it's on. It's on, you guys can hear it. So as soon as I give it a little bit of gas, check it out. Right away, it's like responsive. So it feels faster. I know I did a lot of research. Obviously, like I said, it's not adding horsepower or torque or anything like that. It's just controlling your throttle. It kind of gets rid of that lag. So ya saben que cuando le pisan a la mamalona, it lags, right? It doesn't go right away. So this kind of gets rid of that lag in between, where it's just boom. As soon as you give it gas, like, let me turn it off so you guys can see. So I'm about to turn it off, and you guys will see the difference. So right here, I turned it off again. I'm gonna give it some gas. That's me trying to go all the way in. Boom, that's me like gunning it to the bottom, and it picks up slowly. So here, I'll show you guys the difference again. So now I'm gonna turn it on and give it some gas. Here we go. So it's on now on 9. So, I mean, I don't know about you guys, pero yo veo como que sí levanta más. So that's my review on it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I feel like it goes faster. I mean, it feels more responsive for sure. So maybe if you were pulling against another truck, another Ram, que sea igual, stock, 5.7 Hemi, you know, your truck might be more responsive if you put this on. So it does feel a lot more responsive, like I said. Let me turn it off again. I'll show you another pull. So it's off now. I'm gonna give it gas. Here we go. It's picking up. I'm like literally stepping on it, slowly picking it up. Now I dropped it down. I just turned it on again, and let's see. I mean, for what it is, I think it's money well spent. Like I said, my boys over at iDrive USA, check them out on IG. They hooked me up with this for the Ram. I got a 2017 Ram 1500 Hemi quad cab. That's what I'm running it on. It's stock. It's got some race stars, so it's pretty light right now. They're 17s, but you guys saw it already. You can see the difference. That throttle controller gets rid of that lag, so si quema. But hey, let me know what you guys think on the video. I'm also gonna put the link to the iDrive USA so you guys can check it out. I know they have it available for Jeeps, I believe Chevys as well. Pa todos los cuz con los Chevys los OBSs. But I'll put the link on the bottom to the iDrive USA. If not, check them out on IG. Let them know your boy no quema John hit you up with this, and they'll hook you up. So yeah, no quema is ready to go. Vámonos pa las carreras, So there you guys go. Like I said, I felt a difference. Se siente más responsive. Me siento más como un cut. A ver, let's do another quick pull real quick. So right here, I have it off right now. Just regular. Lo voy a prender. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Big difference. A lot more responsive. So, you guys hear that exhaust cut? Puro straight pipe. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit the notification button. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos. This whole YouTube thing is very time consuming, but I'm trying to stay on top of it. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for new videos, what you guys would like to see. Videos about, you know, me, videos about La Mamalona, shows, things like that. Hit us up on the comments with your suggestions. Make sure you guys follow the page, No Quema, on IG, and No Quema Customs on IG. And thank you guys for watching.